Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in the Trendyol app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the account menu, and this is how it opens up first. Here we have to scroll down, and then tap on settings, and then tap on notification preferences. And here we have a few ways we can receive notifications. From the start, as a base, like the base setting is that they are turned off. So afterwards we can select whether we want to receive through how we want to receive these notifications, and then what kind of notifications we want to receive, because there are different kinds: surveys, product updates, offers, sales and fashion updates, and yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.